Well, today's adventure in hi-fi, we're building a little K-12G 4-tube amplifier. It took me about maybe an hour and a half to assemble it, really pretty straightforward. This is the startup of it, just to see if it actually works. I've got it sitting over here on my bench. It's all plugged in. It's hooked up to my little bench test panel I built using a NAD C320BEE integrated amplifier as a preamp. I've got a CD playing. We're going to plug this bad boy in and see if it works or does it blow up. Well, it didn't blow up. Not seeing any smoke. Tubes are lighting up. Let's see if we got some sound here. We got no sound. Didn't have the volume up on the preamp. Can't let the music play because YouTube will take me down. But as you can hear, we got sound. Well, that's pretty cool. I also got a little bit of a hum. I'm hearing a hum out of my speakers, but I'll have to look into that. That noise you just heard, if you heard it, that's my compressor starting. That's not the amplifier. Anyways, it was a fun project. I bought it off a fellow on the DIY forum. He had it for sale. He made me an amazing offer for this amplifier and a couple of raw speakers that I could use in another project. I appreciate that. Thank you very much. No idea what I'm going to use this amplifier for. I built a VTA Dynaco ST120 Bob Latino clone a year or so ago, and I just finished a bunch of work on a Past Labs First Watt F-5 V2 amplifier. So I got more amplifiers than I know what to do with, but I love playing around with them. Anyways, that's it from here on the little K-12G 12 watt per channel 4-tube amplifier.